Hello folks from river Treska and very close to the Matka Canyon and the lake Matka. Yes, it is time for another swim in this super cold lake, and as the name states, Treska in Macedonia it's equivalent to fever, which means that it's cold. And it's quite cold, believe me. Indeed. I took a swim earlier today when I came first here, and now it's 4:30 p.m. and I've already done like one swim in the river, and then previously also in the lake Matka, in the Matka Canyon. So now it's time to take another swim before the sun sets for today. So let's go and let's walk together. And yes, this river Tresca is located in Skopje, the capital city of Macedonia, 15 kilometers away from the central part of Skopje. And here we can see some people on the beach here on both sides of the river. And as you can see, the river is very fast. So if you float on the water, it will bring you down along the river. So yes, and yes, I am originally from Macedonia. This is my home country actually, and I have been living here since I was 25 years old. And now I'm here for a weekend visit only from Sweden. And oh my god, you cannot imagine the water here. It's running so fast. Look at that. Look at that. I cannot stand here. It's gonna be super challenging here. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Look at that flow of the river. Alright, let's find a suitable spot to take a dip and not to be taken by the river here too much. And yes, you can reach this beautiful spot from the central part of Skopje by taking the bus 60 towards Matka, or by coming by car or by taxi, of course, obviously. Still working to find some deeper end here, you see? Alright, I think now it's time to dive in, but let's be cautious not to get so much into the water by that. Alright, are you with me? And yes, now the legs are in the water and it's like super cold. So we are going and diving in here in 3, 2, 1, let's go! It's so nice. It's so nice to be taking the dip here in this lake Tresca. And yes, it is 29 degrees Celsius in the air. It is 4:30 p.m. right now, but the water is super cold. Super cold, believe me. Let's take one more step. so refreshing and cold, believe me. So yeah, we're coming to Skopje, a trip to Matka Canyon is a must. And if you're into beach adventures and you're here during the summer months, you can also visit here and take a swim in this river. So yeah, that's a wrap for today from this ice cold lake, Tresca, which in translation means fever. So thanks a lot for watching again, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!